Hi, Michael Phipps here. In this market area, I'm better known as the Condo King. What does that mean? Just about anything you want to know about our local condo market, I can tell you, or better yet, I can show you. Whether it's a specific location, square footage, open floor plans, buildings with elevators, or amenities like swimming pools, tennis courts, clubhouses with exercise rooms, walking trails, condos facing the woods, or condos facing the water, I have the answers for you. Now don't let the nickname, the Condo King, fool you, because the majority of my clients have a castle to sell before they can buy a condo. And I'm great with handling both. So from castles to condos, I'm your go-to guy. I look forward to helping you with your next move. Call me so we can get started today.